Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to see when somebody was last online on Snapchat. So Snapchat doesn't have an option like Instagram where you can just automatically see when somebody was last online. So I'll show you guys a couple tricks so that you can tell when somebody was last online on Snapchat. So there's no third-party app or website that will tell you when they were last online either, so don't use those are a scam. But the first thing you want to check is their stories. If they've posted a story recently, then there's a chance that they will be online still. So that's one way to check when they were last online, by their stories. So that's not a very good method though, because if they don't post any stories, you won't be able to tell. So the second way to tell is on the Snap Map. As you can see here, I have my ghost mode on and I don't have anyone added. But if you do have people added, you'll be able to see their Bitmojis all across wherever you live. And if they have it activated, if you click on their Bitmoji, you'll be able to see last seen on here. So if they have it activated, you'll be able to tell when they were last online. This is probably the best method, but it is still a little unreliable because if they have ghost mode activated, you won't be able to see them. But if they don't have it activated, then you will be able to tell when they were last online on Snapchat. So that's the second method. So I hope these will be able to help you, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.